right, welcome back to another segment of Mixing with Robin. Hey, we are making some French bread today. You can just pick up a loaf if you're in a pinch. This is gonna go with our noodle ramen spaghetti that we made. So I wanted to show you, I just cut 2 loaves into 4s here and then melted some butter. And you're just gonna take it and kind of drizzle it around. If you have like a basting brush, use the basting brush. It works great. You can just kind of slap it on there. But if you don't have one, it's all right. Just use a spoon, get it good and melted and hot, and it's just gonna soak into that bread. There are many different ways you can do this. You can just straight up toast it if you would like, and then you've got just toasted bread. But if you like a little bit of garlic salt, use the one that's got the little bit of herbs in it and just sprinkle it and give yourself some garlic salt. If you like cheesy bread, take some of that mozzarella cheese that you've got. We use this on the top of our spaghetti. And then you've got the cheesy bread. And this is delish, okay? And you don't have to, there's, a little bit of salt in your cheese there, so you don't have to salt that with the garlic salt, or sometimes it's a little too salty. But I would suggest, and sorry, I didn't open this. See? Live TV. Here you go. Use your teeth. Not all the time. Probably not a good idea. But anyway, just pop this open, put a little bit on, and do some Parmesan bread, okay? That's all you do. We're gonna pop it in under the broiler, and I'll be back in just a minute to show you what it looks like. All right, we just pulled our bread out of the oven. This went in on high broil for like a minute and a half at the most. You really have to keep an eye on it. And I didn't cut it yet because I wanted you to see. This is just basted with butter, and then I put just a handful of mozzarella cheese on it and let it get just a little bit toasted. This all stayed in at the same time, went in at the same time, came out at the same time, but you really have to watch it. So those 2 slices have the butter and the mozzarella. This slice here has butter, and you see how toasty this got? Whenever you sprinkle Parmesan cheese on your bread and you put it under the broiler, you have really got to basically just stand there and watch it, because it will burn so fast with the Parmesan cheese sprinkled on. This one is just toasted with garlic butter, and it is amazing. So have this with, if you go to our YouTube channel, pull up our noodle ramen that we made into spaghetti, and pull up our elk meatballs. Those balls are amazing. So good with the sauce. You could just dip them in the sauce and just suck the sauce and the meatball off together. So try them, but have this bread. Make this bread to put with your noodle ramen spaghetti, okay? Thank you again for joining us for another episode of Mixing with Robin. I hope you enjoy it. And remember, every day is not gonna be a good day, but there is good in every day. So go find the good and share it.